Hey guys, how you going? We're just here at Helen's place. She was the grand prize winner of the review competition we had on Facebook. So we're here to present her with her prize. Come on in, let's take it out. Hi guys, how you doing? Here with Helen. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you for your lovely review, and wow.
Looks fantastic.
What a good review, eh? Are you
Yep.
happy with it?
Very happy.
Excellent. How was the experience? How was dealing with Moira?
Excellent. Really good, professional, courteous, respectful. The best experience we could have ever hoped for, because it's so daunting when you're going for such a big job.
Awesome. I like the sky. As I said before, it's just stunning.
It looks wonderful.
It's
We
just-
don't have to have a light on in the kitchen
Yay!
anymore.
Well, congratulations. Helen decided not to get the coffee machine because she already had one, so we gave her some vouchers instead. There you go.
Thank you so
There it
much.
is, no problems at all. And some nice small Helen
Oh,
for
awesome.
you guys. There you go.
Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you very much. And thank you for your lovely review.
Thank you.
Thanks, Helen.